I'm Melanie White, CEO of Hellwig Products. Hellwig Products started in 1946, so my great-grandfather and grandfather had the idea for helper springs. Hellwig Products is really known for load and sway control. We manufacture sway bars for anything from like a golf cart all the way up to a military application. We're an OE supplier. We also are an aftermarket supplier, and then we private label bars as well. Make all of our own tooling and dies, equipment. It gives us way more control to be able to control every part of the process.